Did you know there's a snake out there that can eat an entire crocodile in one bite? Or that some snakes don't even chew, they just swallow their dinner whole, like a spaghetti noodle? Yep. Snakes are wildly cool and maybe not as scary as they seem. Today, we're going to dive into the secret world of venomous snakes. What makes them dangerous? Why are they important? And could snake venom actually save lives? Let's find out. Grab your explorer hat hand, maybe your imagination, and let's slither into the world of snakes. Snakes are one of the most fascinating reptiles on Earth. With over 3,000 species discovered so far and more still being found, they live almost everywhere. From hot deserts and dry woodlands to lush rainforests and even oceans. The Amazon rainforest alone is home to hundreds of different snake species. But what exactly makes a snake venomous? Some snakes have special teeth called fangs, long, sharp, and either grooved or hollow. These fangs are connected to venom glands inside the snake's head. When a snake bites, the muscles around those glands squeeze, pushing venom through tiny tubes in the fangs and into their prey. This venom is powerful. It can stop a small animal from moving, slow down its heart, or even begin digesting it from the inside. But not all snakes are dangerous to humans. Out of the 700 known venomous species, only about 250 are strong enough to seriously hurt a person. Most snakes would rather slither away than start a fight. Also, did you know snakes never chew their food? Instead, they swallow it whole thanks to flexible ligaments in their jaws that let them stretch their mouths super wide. Small snakes eat frogs, birds, and insects. Big snakes? They can eat rabbits, deer, even crocodiles. Some snakes have special diets like the egg-eating snake. Guess what it eats? That's right. Just eggs. Once swallowed, it crushes the shell with bones in its neck and spits the shell back out. Pretty clever, huh? No matter what they eat, snakes take their time. A meal might last them for days or even weeks. And how do they smell their food? Not with their noses like us. When a snake flicks out its tongue, it's picking up tiny scent particles in the air. Back inside its mouth, a special organ called Jacobson's organ rads those smells like a secret message. It's how snakes taste the air to find prey or avoid danger. And guess what? Every snake species can swim. Some glide through rivers, and sea snakes can stay underwater for up to an hour. Snake venom may be deadly in the wild, but it's also saving lives in hospitals. Scientists use venom to create anti-venom, which can stop a poisonous bite from becoming fatal. They inject tiny amounts into animals like horses, and their immune systems build special antibodies. Those antibodies are turned into medicine for people. But wait, there's more. Some venom is being studied to treat blood pressure, heart disease, even cancer. Talk about using nature's danger for good. And in the wild, snakes are super helpful too. They eat rodents, insects, and pests that would otherwise destroy crops and spread disease. Without snakes, farmers would need to use more chemicals, which isn't great for the planet. Some snakes even eat other snakes. The king snake, for example, hunts venomous rattlesnakes and it's immune to their venom. But sadly, many snakes today are in danger. Their homes are disappearing due to buildings, pollution, and farming. Some people kill snakes just because they're afraid of venom when the snake is totally harmless. That's why some species are now endangered or nearly extinct. The more we learn, the more we understand how important they are. So, what can we really take away from all this fascinating information about snakes? It's easy to see them as creepy or dangerous creatures because of their slithering movement and sharp fangs. But the truth is much more interesting and positive. Snakes are incredibly smart animals that have evolved unique ways to survive and thrive in almost every environment on Earth. They're not just scary, they're helpful and essential parts of the natural world. For example, snakes play a huge role in controlling pests that could otherwise damage crops and spread disease. Imagine a world without snakes. Rodents would multiply rapidly, causing serious problems for farmers and even for human health. Many snake species help keep these populations in check, acting as natural pest control without any chemicals or traps. This is just one way they contribute to maintaining balance in ecosystems worldwide. But it doesn't stop there. Snakes have inspired important medical research and treatments. Their venom, while dangerous in some cases, has been studied to develop medicines for heart disease, blood pressure, and even cancer. Scientists continue to explore snake venom for new breakthroughs, showing how even something that seems frightening can hold the key to saving lives. This connection between nature and human health is a perfect example of why protecting wildlife matters not just for the environment but for ourselves as well. It's also important to remember that snakes don't want to hurt us. They are shy and usually avoid human contact whenever possible. Most snake bites happen because the snake feels threatened or cornered. If we respect their space and give them room to live peacefully, conflicts can be avoided. These animals are simply trying to survive, just like any other creature on the planet. Understanding their behavior helps us coexist safely and respectfully. Next time you encounter a snake, instead of panicking or reacting with fear, try to stay calm. Take a moment to appreciate how incredible these animals are, their unique scales, their silent movement, their ability to sense their surroundings in ways we can hardly imagine. Give them space to move along and continue their important role in nature. By doing this, we honor the delicate balance of our ecosystems and protect biodiversity for future generations. Because every animal, even the slithery, scaly kind, deserves a place on this planet. Each one contributes in its own way to the complex web of life, and removing or harming any species can cause ripple effects that disrupt this balance. Snakes remind us that nature's diversity is something to celebrate and protect. Thanks so much for exploring the amazing world of snakes with us today. Your curiosity and willingness to learn help spread understanding and respect for these misunderstood creatures. If you want to dive deeper and discover more about other incredible animals, their habitats, and the amazing science behind them, visit us at learn.org. Keep your curiosity alive and let it keep slithering, just like the snakes we admire, always moving forward, discovering and growing.